Hwlffordd wedi gwthio, rhoi amddiffynwyr ymlaen. Croesiad beryglus. Dal wedi cael ei chlirio'n iawn. Ac yr ergyd gan Ben Fawcett yn y pen draw. A Dutton yn gwneud yn dda i droi'r bêl dros y trawst. Trio amddiffynwyr Airbus yn methu delio efo'r peryg. A pen ddisgynodd y bêl i Fawcett. Nath ei tharo'n dda, ond ddim cweit yn gallu canfod gen yr rwyd. Phillips yn cadw'r bêl a dir y byw. Lawr yr asgell at JK. Yn ôl at Phillips. Phillips yn codi'r bêl i mewn i'r cwrs Cosby tro yma. Savage! Ac ar yr ail gynnig, Finn Savage sy'n rhoi Airbus ar y blaen. Fethodd Finn Savage gael ei ben at y bêl, ond fodd y cyntaf i ymateb pan ddisgynodd y bêl, a mae'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Abruzzese. Yn syth, mae yna rhyw deimlad bod Hwlffordd wedi codi'r tempo. Beau Cornish wedi dwy'n y bêl, a mae wedi canfod JK. Cyfle JK nid i'n ddwy! JK, prif sgoriwr Airbus ymor yma. Trwadd un ar un yn erbyn Idsi, ond yn methu dwblu mantais y tîm cartra. Jordan Davies. Davies. Tu mewn at Feel. Feel yn codi'r bêl. Wedi dod at Johan Evans. Evans, efo Phillips yn ei warchod o. Yn cael ei groesiad i mewn! A Ben Fawcett sydd wedi dod ar ymwelwyr yn gyfartal. A Ben Fawcett oedd y sgoriwr. Ail gol y tymor iddo fo. Jamie Veal. A Kerry o le gan Veal wrth iddo fo godi'r bêl i mewn i cwrs Cosby. Mae'n dod at Fawcett. Ac yn y pen draw, Jordan Davies sydd yn rhoi Hwlffordd ar y blaen. Ar o fod ar y blaen mor hir, mae Airbus ar ei hôl i. A Jordan Davies sy'n canfod cefn y rwyd. Chweched gol y tymor iddo fo.
Yeah, it's the first time we've come from behind and won a game this year. It's the first time we've won a game when we haven't kept a clean sheet. So we talked about that half time. I don't know if it was a good thing to remind the boys of that and put them under more pressure, but in fairness, they came out second half and our quality was a bit better second half. You know, we had opportunities again in the first 15-20 minutes and we didn't take those chances. And Airbus grew into the game and did really well. I thought, you know, I feel for Airbus with the injuries they've got. And when you're in that position, things go against you. And you know, I don't think they could have given any more today. And it was a credit to the club.
Obviously, every club wants to be in the top six. But yeah, we set out a game plan first half. We wasn't at it. And credit to them, they got the lead. But yeah, we knew second half that we had chances first half that we should have took, but we knew we'd have chances second half, so we just had to take them. Yeah,
just disappointed for the lads really. You know, asked at the beginning of the game to go and give us everything. We've quite an inexperienced squad, a team, and they did. I can't fault any of them really. You know, but two sloppy goals, I know, but. The rest of the game, I thought we were really up there and challenging them.